Hey, um, this is a different intro than what I usually do. Normally, I start my videos by singing, but I thought I'd try something different. So, hi, I'm Liv. This is my place where we talk about clothing and movies and music, and I show things that I bought. I'm very excited to show this thing that I bought. This is kind of like a collision of all the worlds together as one. I'm gonna back up so you can see me in the full shot. Okay, so I have a package from an internet friend, one of my kindred spirits, I guess you could say. She's like my closest Instagram friend, I would say. Her name is Sierra, and she has a business, Oh Snap by Sierra, where she makes like accessories, like purses and wallets and all little kinds of things out of like VHS cases. She uses like slip cases and clamshells sometimes. Sorry, I always get like sweaty at the beginning of videos. It's a thing. It's fine. I'm fine. It's okay. Everything's fine. But my body just like doesn't think it's okay, but everything is fine. It's all good. I'm fine. Anyway, so I finally got to buy something from her. She had a sale and it was a good sale, and I was like, it's time. I've been like eyeballing her stuff for like 2 years now almost, so it's time. So she sent me a sweet little message saying like, I woke up to an order from a Liv in Michigan, is that you? And I was like, of course. And she's like, oh, that's so exciting. She said she threw in a little like something extra, so, which she definitely didn't have to, obviously, but she's just that cool. So I'm gonna quickly show my coloring my current coloring page. This is what I'm working on right now. I'm blind, by the way. I ran out of contacts, and that's something that I should ask. For you contact wearers out there, do you have to like go to an eye doctor and get a like current prescription in order to order contacts from a website? Like, is that a thing? I don't know. I always get contacts from the eye doctor, but like those are expensive. And anyway, I'm working on like this neon one right now. I wanted to do like all like vivid, vibrant colors. And then this is one that I'm still working on with just like all kinds of colors. But I'm showing it because this line here that has like the pink and blue, light blue and light purple, it gave me inspiration. If I can hold it still. It gave me a little inspiration for this one that's almost done. I just got to fill in a few more spots, but I needed a break from it. But I wanted to do something that was all like pink, purple, and blue, like pretty pink, purple, and blue. So that's what I did. And there's like a more pastel side and then like a more like gem tone side, which is kind of cool. Okay, anyway, I'm like more self-conscious now that I just did that. So let's show the things from Sierra. I'm gonna grab a sip of water. Maybe you should too. Hydration is good and stuff. And you know, especially if you perspire. Okay, I also have a package from someone from a Facebook group. It's like a sweatshirt that I didn't know anything about the maker, but other people in the group knew about him, them, it, the company. I'll have to look it up because I don't remember the name of it, but this person thrifted this sweatshirt, but it just looked cool to me. And he was selling it for very cheap. So I was like, sure. Good story. Okay. Anyway, let's get into the package. So I'm already seeing a couple tapes, which, okay, nice. So this Edward Scissorhands, I was actually just talking about how Edward Scissorhands is like probably my second favorite Johnny Depp movie after this one that you'll see. I got the bag of the movie. That is my first favorite Johnny Depp movie. I don't think he's a great person. I think they're both not great people, if you know what I'm referring to. But, anyway. Edward Scissorhands is a really good movie. And, I didn't really, like, watch it all the way through until my film class. And I didn't realize, like, how good it was. And so I love that movie. If you've never seen Edward Scissorhands, classic 80s. Ooh, Dracula from the video library of Donna L. Ran. I love that. That's a fun little sticker. I love little things like that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Cool. Awesome. Dracula. I actually don't think I've ever seen Dracula. That's probably something I should watch soon. Okay. And then this is the tape for the bag. Oh my gosh, Sarah. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is gonna be backwards because we all know that I don't edit my videos. Crybaby. Are you familiar? Do you know? This was a very, like, monumental movie from my childhood. It was, like, one of the weirder movies I had seen early on. And it is a John Waters movie, but it's, like, it's one of the more tame ones, if you are familiar with John Waters' filmography collection. He's a pretty wild dude, and like, gross, I guess you could say. He does a lot of, like, gross, like, shocking things, but, like, in, like, smart, interesting, visually stimulating ways. So, like, he has quite the following. But I haven't seen this movie in a minute, actually, and I thought that I had a big crush on Crybaby, Johnny Depp's character, when I was little. But upon, like, more recent years of self-discovery and, like, admitting things to myself that, like, I wouldn't admit when I was younger, I think it was really Allison in this that I had the huge crush on. And I was just reading a text message. Because she's, like, so freaking pretty in this movie. Anyway, okay. Her singing the Please Mr. Jailer song, that was a thing. That's a thing. You should watch that. That's a thing. Okay, anyway. Like, in the way that, like, oh my god. In the way that, Milk Money was kind of, like, a sexual awakening in a way that I didn't know until, like, many years later, because, like, how freaking gorgeous and stunning and lovely and, like, beautiful in her soul Melanie Griffith is in that movie. Yeah, those are kind of, like, on similar levels, Crybaby and Milk Money. Okay, good talk. Okay, so this is something she threw in, which is hilarious and awesome, and I was a really big Justin fan back in the day, back in my NSYNC days. I saw NSYNC in concert twice. Once with my mom. Oh my gosh, I had the cutest outfits both times, you guys. You don't even know. I had the cute little pale yellow visor, and then I had like my big pom-pom. Anyway, I loved NSYNC. They were my favorite boy band. But 90 Degrees was my first concert ever, basically. Besides, like, there was like a really, really local stuff that I probably don't remember when I was younger. Like, I know I went to a place where Tone Loc was playing. Like, I technically saw him, but like I was too young to really remember that. But then when I was like probably 9, I saw 90 Degrees in Midland at the county fair. Okay, good talk. The Moffats opened for them. Do you remember the Moffats? Nope, nobody does. They had a song called Misery. It's from the Teaching Mrs. Tingle soundtrack. All right, look it up. Watch Teaching Mrs. Tingle if you're not familiar with that one. Anyway, this is awesome. Thank you for the extras. I am delighted to no end. So this is a weird one. So it's like a little card holder. It's got little spaces. Look, these are like really cool. Like, she does this all, she's self-taught like sewist, and she's in Portland, Oregon, which is like near and dear to my heart because I have a sister from Portland. I love her little logo. And I don't even know who it was that, like, one of my VHS friends shared Sierra's page like a couple years back. It might have been Erect Ladybug, because I can see her sharing I can see her sharing Sierra's page. But anyway, this is like a little like self-help cassette tape, like book on cassette tape. Success Motivation Cassette Tapes presents How to Get People to Think and Act Favorably with You by Millard Bennett. I just thought that was like so like funny and weird and cool, and like, I am not good at human interaction if you know me in real life. So and then she has her little logo on there too. I just like, I'm so proud of her. Like, even though I don't know her, I'm just like so proud of her and like how she's like come so far. I don't know. Anyway, okay. You guys. This is Allison. That's Allison, if you don't know. I mean, are you kidding? Amy Locane? Y'all know I don't know how to pronounce names. But it's super fun. It's from the 80s, but it's like 50s. 80s does 50s. And like, look how fun these colors are. The pink and the teal. These are like two of my favorite colors. So I'm pretty excited. And she has little like thank you care instruction cards. I'm super jazzed, dude. Little business card thingies. And then there's a strap that you can like wear it multiple ways, which is even cooler. And yeah, she does Goosebumps bags too that I'm like, oh, I need one of those at some point. But I'm gonna treasure this for the moment, and I'm so excited. Okay, next thing. Oh, an idea of a video I thought I could do was like testing out that makeup that I got from Vera Vixen, because like some of it's expired and stuff, so I thought like I could do like a video with like swatches. We could see in real time like how sensitive my skin actually is. Just kidding, kind of, but not, but kind of. Okay, like already the colors, it's like, of course I wanted this. So it says the darkest dungeons are in our mind, and like, ain't that the truth? But the design is so fucking cool. And then even the sleeves have like, what is it? Chains and ball and chain and like blood or something. This is awesome. And it's like not super thick. So I feel like I'll be able to wear it like a decent amount of the year with like layering and whatnot. So I'm excited for both of those things. This was a very pink and blue video, which reminds me, let's see, how far are we? 16 minutes, that's kind of short for me. So I'll keep talking. Pink and blue I used to like not like those colors together because I associated it with this carnival ride that I called the pink and blue ride, because like the seats on the ride were like bright pink and bright blue, like electric blue and like magenta, like almost like this, honestly, like these two colors. And the one time I went on the ride, it wasn't even a scary ride, but like as a child with like undiagnosed anxiety and probably other things, it was very worrisome. So I was with my mom and I was probably like 8 or 9 or 10. That's when a lot of my childhood trauma happened, like embarrassment. And the ride started, oh man, this is also why I didn't like that Come On Ride the Train song for a very long time, because I dissociated it with this bad memory. But the ride started and that song started, come on, ride a train and ride it. And it's like, that's a fun song. But then like, it just like started going like faster and like backwards, and I was not feeling that. And yeah, it was not a fun time, and I'm glad that I can appreciate pink and blue as a combination now, and it's like my favorite color combination, and I can appreciate that song. And that's it. Don't leave comments on strangers' videos that are just like negative just to be a jerk. Don't do that. That's not cool. That's my bit of advice for the day. And be kind always, like I say always. Rewind. Always rewind. This is like the perfect combination. Are you kidding me? Also, I should have said this is kind of a musical. So it's like movie, music, fashion. This is me. Color. This is me. This is me right here in an item. Thank you, Sierra. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. Okay, bye.